Okay, we're going to do a little quick practice for our final exam. So you notice I have nothing open. I'm going to go down here, right click. Let's shrink it down a little. And create a new file. And I'll call it final practice. And remember, .html. Notice I have nothing else open up here, and you better not either when we take the test. So I have to start off with HTML. So luckily for us, when we do it in Visual Code Studio gives it to us. So let's hit Control Plus, make it a little bit bigger. So we start off with HTML, then we know we need to have a head section. Within the head section, we need to have a title for our page. That's pretty simple. I'm just going to call it page. Okay, notice HTML started, ended, head started, ended, title started, ended. And then, of course, we go to style. Well, yeah, we want to make sure we type that right. And notice it always gives us two. So it's so easy just to do that. So, well, you know what? Since no, we'll do it this way. At least we understand what we're doing. Okay, so I'm going to give it like a body color for the whole page. And this is so simple because we're using the Unity stuff. So I'm going to put like background color. You notice it comes up. I don't care. I'll pick that. Okay. All right. Close that. I'm going to give myself a headline color. So I will maybe like headline 1. And curly brackets. And let's just go with something simple. Color. For headlines, we'll pick brown. And let's try a div. Try div. And well, curly brackets. And let's just say order 20 pixels. And we'll make it the outset. Okay? All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and what do we have here? Let's do an H1. Test color. There it is, and it's doing our brown. Got our body in there. And let's do div and equals. And notice there's our try div right there. And notice it gives us a div n too. So perfect. You know, it recognizes this, and then it gives us the ending one too. So let's just, oh, we got border. So let's just put down there like an H3. See what we type. There we go. Yeah, but I forgot something, didn't I? Okay, yeah, so this should be under body. Yeah, there we go. And I'm going to put some returns between that. And I'm going to control copy and control V. And I'm going to get rid of all this. And let's move this guy up a little bit. And we got it. Okay. Close this for a second. See what we got. HTML, we started it. And then just put spaces down to end it. Simple. Down here. We then went to head and put our title inside here. But notice when you start something, you better end it. If you don't end it, it's going to think everything below here is head. It's going to be a headline. We can't have that. So once you start it, you got to end it. Style, we put a body background color in, H1, H2, H3. You could put paragraph here, whatever you want. Whatever color you want. There is no right or wrong. And then the div's just a little bit difficult. You can put like a color inside here and stuff too. Just got to have the period there. And we got the curly brackets. And then we got to end our style. This is our cascading style sheet. These are our colors. And now we're going to do our body. We're going to put the stuff inside there. H1's easy because that's the one we picked here. And then for the div, you're just going to put div class equals. Div, and this will actually come up. I think this will too. Div class equals, and once you put these quotation marks, this is going to come up and let you choose it. So it can't get any easier. Div will come up, class equals, and then of course we got to end our curly bracket there. But this will come up, and then type whatever you want, whatever paragraph, whatever you want to put inside there. And the div, but this will come in automatically too, so you don't even have to type it. And then our body, we make sure we start those HTML. So the thing I forgot was the body, so make sure you don't forget that. Anyway, that's going to be our final exam. We're going to practice it and make sure you ace it.